Breaking free from heartbreak is easier than you think, and I'm here to show you how to rediscover your true self. This journey is all about personal growth, and it's essential to acknowledge that heartbreak can be a catalyst for self-discovery and transformation. Heartbreak can be overwhelming, leaving you feeling lost and confused. The emotional struggles that come with it can be intense, making it challenging to navigate your feelings and thoughts. You may feel like a part of you is missing, and it's hard to understand who you are without the other person. Your sense of identity can be shaken, and it's common to question your self-worth. As you struggle to come to terms with the breakup, you may find it difficult to focus on daily tasks and activities, feeling emotionally drained and exhausted. Your emotions can be all over the place, ranging from sadness and anger to guilt and regret, making it tough to find a sense of calm and stability. Healing from heartbreak requires patience, self-reflection, and a willingness to grow. It's crucial to acknowledge your emotions and give yourself permission to feel the pain. Seeking support from loved ones, friends, or a therapist can be incredibly helpful in processing your emotions and gaining a new perspective. Engaging in self-care practices such as exercise, meditation, or creative activities can also help you find comfort and solace. As you work through your emotions, you'll begin to develop a deeper understanding of yourself and your needs, allowing you to rebuild your sense of identity and self-worth. I've seen people go through significant breakthroughs after heartbreak, and one story that stands out is of a friend who thought she'd never find love again after a painful breakup. She took time to focus on herself, rediscovering her passions and interests, and eventually found someone who loved and accepted her for who she truly was. Her story is a testament to the human capacity for resilience and growth, showing that it's possible to not only heal from heartbreak, but also find a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. As she looked back on her journey, she realized that the breakup was a turning point, allowing her to reevaluate her life and make positive changes that brought her greater happiness and fulfillment. She learned to appreciate the little things, cultivate meaningful relationships, and trust herself, ultimately emerging stronger and wiser. The key to breaking free from heartbreak is to be kind to yourself. Allow yourself to feel the emotions and take small steps towards healing. It's a journey that requires patience, self-compassion, and a willingness to grow, but the end result is well worth it. You'll discover a stronger, wiser, and more resilient version of yourself. If you've gone through a similar experience, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other video on building self-confidence and overcoming self-doubt, where I share practical tips and strategies to help you unlock your full potential.